Have you ever tried to track your money daily but failed to do so after 3 days? Then you know how hard it is to save money, make money, and how easy it is to spend. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. After I created the simple worksheets for my KAKEIBO course, a few students seemed to have a problem tracking it daily. So I created a 30-day challenge to track both your income and expenses step by step through the process of using 4 KAKEIBO sheets. In this course, you will learn using a notebook or paper worksheets how to set a financial goal and budgeting, how to track daily expenses, how to review every 5 days, how to do KAIZEN for the next month. This course is great for those of you who want to understand how KAKEIBO sheets work and impact your financial story. Want to save money and pay back your debts faster. All the video lessons have no narration. They combine music with text, so your thoughts are clear. I'm so excited to work with you to change your financial story with the Japanese Zero Waste Household Financial Record Book, KAKEIBO. You'll be surprised how easy it is to stick with your budget. Let's get started. See you inside of the class.